The warning service power steering in a Vauxhall car mostly means a software glitch that may be caused either by some badly coded modules that may require an update in the dealership or issues with power. A 12-volt battery is anyway the first thing to check, since you may do it on your own. Just get a load tester. You may borrow it from any big car parts store for free and check if the battery drops voltage too low under load. If it does, the battery may need to be replaced, especially if it's older than 4 or 5 years. If you also get a service ESC and other warnings, the actual culprit is something else. It may be a purge valve or even a badly tightened fuel cap, but in such cases it's hard to guess the reason without using a professional scanner. If it's the isolated warning service power steering, and it's there on the dashboard all the time, and also the steering wheel is heavy, the problem may be in the electrical connections. Unfortunately, it's not that easy to check them since you will need a car lift, but you may ask your mechanic to inspect the connections and wires. Any undercarriage damage may disconnect your power steering, or there may be a wire damaged by rodents, etc. But if the problem is intermittent and the 12-volt battery is absolutely healthy, the problem is very likely software related. In this case, you should go to the dealership and have them fix this, since Vauxhall has issued lots of updates and there may be an update for the EPS system for your car. Unfortunately, this problem has been quite common in recent model years, and as you may know, Vauxhall vehicles use Peugeot equipment, so they need to wait for solutions and updates from France, which may take some time. Fortunately, if it's a software issue, you can turn the vehicle off and then on again, and the power steering will come back to life in most cases.